2024 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.